This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to get Midi flowing into Ableton now. First, power your controller and plug it in via USB or a Midi interface. This ensures physical connectivity. Next, open Ableton's preferences and go to link/MIDI to enable the exact input and output ports, turn on track for notes, and remote if you need controls. Once done, create a Midi track and set its input to the connected device. Arm the track to monitor incoming Midi so you can confirm activity. Now route your Midi to sound and control parameters. Create a Midi track with a virtual instrument or drag an external instrument to control hardware. Make sure the track's input channel matches your controller or is set to all channels so notes pass through. Once you can play notes, enter Midi map mode to assign hardware knobs and faders to device parameters, check CC numbers, and set min/max ranges for expressive control. After mapping, exit map mode and test performance, while adjusting buffer and latency settings if needed. Finish by organizing and saving your setup so you don't repeat steps each session. Save the current live set as a template with tracks, routings, mappings, and preferred buffer size. This speeds future sessions. Then fine-tune audio buffer and latency. Lower buffers reduce delay but may stress the CPU, so find a balance. If something fails, here's one key tip. Verify the driver and physical connections first, swap cables, check controller power. Ensure the Midi port is enabled in preferences, and watch for input activity LEDs to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.